All right, guys, let's get started with another underwriting property project. Let's go. Um, let's find the state first. What state do we want to go with? What's a state? Maryland. Let's go to Maryland. Right, it's all over the place. Let's see, sold for sale. I mean, Green Valley. Why not? All right, let's do this house right here. Okay, 4-4, ton of photos. Okay, good condition. Home Depot finishes, but your basic house. 11 days on market. Okay, let's start. I believe it's a 4-bedroom, 4 baths, year built, 1975. Oh, as always, I forgot to throw in my prompt. All right, where are we? JWT. Okay. So while we wait for that, let's keep filling out this information. 2250. Oops. 250. Lot size 0.93 acres. Right, population. What do we got here? All right, 7,500. Not a lot of people, which I don't love. Migration trend. Increase. Okay. Don't need any of this. All right, let's move on to buyer. Let's go to InvestorBase. Oh, one thing I will add is I always like to, even though I don't use it, but I do like to see. I don't think I've ever mentioned this, but always add like, what do you think the as is and the ARV is on the property. I just like to see how close ChatGPT is, since I use Grok in terms of their underwriting. For those who are more into this AI thing, I also do use Claude, and basically you can create like something called Claude skills. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just get past this. But I created a skill where it underwrites very close to what I do. So when my acquisition guy needs some underwriting, if I'm not around, I can just have Claude run it, and it runs it very accurate to how I would underwrite it. So just a fun fact. Let me continue though. Address. Oops. All right, we got a lot of action here. 70, 31. 70 to 31. Not a lot of action, not for nothing. This isn't great. You got to make sure you're aggressive. You want to get sold fast. 252. Probably retail. Well, maybe for everybody because you got a lot of investor action here too. Yeah, it might be for everybody. In terms of renovation, maybe 5,000 just for things we're not seeing, but the house is in pretty good shape. All right, let's go into. All right, let's see what we're working with. Let's see, we can stay in this pocket right here. 2765. So it's this one. Okay. Let's go for sold. Let's see, last 30 days. Okay, not for not a good amount of action. That's 90. We got to be careful because this looks like there's some waterfronts. Let's go with this for now. Okay. Let's see. Do you got a waterfront? And no. Okay. 4 how much square feet? 2250. So there's a lot of big houses here. So let me just get some of those out of here. Okay. So this is kind of your competition. So let's see why this one's selling for. So for more than this one. Similar year built. Same. Okay, almost. Is this the same house? Probably the same house. I mean, it's not a. Yeah, it's a little dated for sure. Why did you sell? And you got one less bath. Maybe they. Okay, so this would be a comp. Let's see. Yeah, this sold pretty fast. Okay. Oh, okay, so for a little less, but sold pretty fast. So for 710 on 220. 710 on 220. Okay. What else we got here? Some smaller, more acreage. Roof needs to get replaced. Let's see what you look like. Similar thing with this dated, kind of not. It's just ugly. Okay. Two car. Okay, why did you sell? See, because it's not two floors. So pretty fast. 659. Okay, I wonder if it's because it's not two floors. For now. Sounds weird. Wondering, I'm still don't see the story's not adding up yet. 21726. That's why I'm kind of like, I don't understand why this one sold for less. I got to know. Let me see if maybe the next one can help me out a little bit. You sold for 610. These are all in the same area. Hmm. This is so weird. Okay, so this side is an addition, probably. I don't know if they were going for this look. It's a nice house. I don't get it. Two car garage. Huge. 610. I wonder if that's a community. This sold immediately though. Let me see what's for sale. I'm so confused. This is not going to sell for. There's no way this is going to sell for $6.99 based on what we're seeing. How long has this been listed for? 3 days. That's a lot. There's no way. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let's go back 6 months. Let me just see if I can get a better story here. 710. Okay. 650, 610. Yeah. So I guess the 7 is like not the norm. The 5s are maybe the norm. So maybe people that are paying this much are like unicorns. Maybe. I don't know. It's tough. I mean, the mid, but what's the difference between like these two? Why did you sell for this? And you're literally right next to each other. This is renovated. Less square feet. I get that. Little dated basement, I think what it looks like, but one's on oil. Is that the big difference? This is the design? Like, what are you asking for this one? 674. I mean, it seems like it's priced right. Just what do you got to say about this? What do you think this is? I mean, the outlier is the 700. Thinking it sold pretty fast, right? We did. We checked it out. Sold pretty fast. Yeah. 670s doesn't seem crazy. We want to sell it faster, 660 and ramp it up. But I think, yeah, I'm gonna actually track this one. I'm curious. I'm gonna go with 660. ARV, I don't know. It could be 700, but it's hard to tell. I'm not gonna lie. So for this one, ARV confidence like a 2 as is. I'm probably like a 3. I don't know, guys. I don't know, whatever you guys think, but that's where I'm at with it. That's pretty much it for me. Again, if you guys wanted to print it, just press the PDF. I'll add this thing if you guys want to use it. But yeah, see you guys on the next one.